Now I read the subject part because you have to understand active and passive verb. Now voice is the form of verb takes to indicate whether the subject or the verb performs or receives. Subject as you see the dog, the girl, the boy, they are all subject. Whether the subject does or the action is being done by the subject, that's called active passive. Let me come to this. There are two types of voice. One is active voice, the other one is passive voice. See, what is active voice? Active voice indicates that the subject of the work is active. The subject here does the action. Because the subject does action on verb such a sentence, such as are said to be in the active voice. Let me go for some examples now. See, these are examples of the active voice. The dog jumped onto the boy. What is the subject here? The subject is dog. What is dog doing? That's the word jumping. Christy will give a book report to the class. Christy, the name of a girl. What does Christy does? She is giving a book report to the class. So subject does the action. Christy is giving book report to the class. The computer ate my paper. Computer is the subject here, and what the computer does, he eats the paper. So subject verb. So directly connected. We can see the subject directly performing the action. That's called active voice. Passive voice. Passive voice, what's happened? Same thing. The subject and objects are interpreting. They are flip-flop because the subject is being acted upon. Such sentences are doing passive voice. I will just play example of passive voice now. See, the boy was jumped on by the dog. Actually, the subject is boy. But here what happened? We give preference to dog. The boy was being jumped on. I mean, the dog, instead of saying the dog jumped on the boy, what is here? Boy was being jumped on. This is called passive voice. Same thing, big report will be given by Christy to class. What does we see in active voice? The Christy gave the report to the class. Here what happened? Book report will be given by Christy. I mean, more focus is given on the book report rather than the Christy. So here more we are concentrating on the action rather than the subject. That is passive voice. My paper was eaten by the computer. See, that's the what said paper was being eaten. Now the paper is subject, was being eaten verb. So we give more focus to the eaten's action rather than the subject, which is paper. Most writers prefer to use active voice because it's direct. People can understand the active voice more better than the passive voice. The waiter dropped the tray of food. This is the active voice, which is direct. What means it says the waiter dropped the tray of food to the ground. Passive voice means what? Same thing, but what are you using passive? The tray of food was dropped by the waiter. Here we will give importance to what? The tray of food. Waiter dropped the tray. So that what we say, the tray of food was dropped by the waiter. As I told you before, active voice is less awkward and clearly states the relationship between the subject and the action. Most people like to use active voice because it can be easily understood by the reader. Whereas the passive request for funding has been denied by the review committee. See, funding has been denied by the review committee. What we write in passive? Your request for funding has been denied by the review committee. Here the subject is review committee, but we are giving more importance to the request for a funding. Yeah, generally passive voice is less direct, less forceful, less psychological. Passive voice are normally used when they want to reveal the performer action, who is doing the action, or when they want to emphasize the receiver who is receiving the action. See the last one in this video. Examples I can see. Here see, my bicycle was repainted by John. Here we want to give importance to John, who has done it. So we say my bicycle was repainted by John. Here deliberate passive, we just want to disclose the name, identity of the person. We just say bicycle was repainted. I think that's it. We can do the exist later. I think we should do it later. Okay, thank you.